What is up, ATG traders? This is Munya and welcome back to my trading channel. Today we're going to be looking at this boom and crash strategy that is going to make you profits from the 50-minute time frame going on up to a higher time frame. So this is a swing trading strategy that is going to allow you to do both spike catching and spiking on boom and crash. Now, if you're new to this channel, we review different trading strategies each and every single day, and right now we're currently doing a 100-day trading challenge whereby you're looking at the market each and every single day for the next 100 days. So if you want to be part of that, make sure you're a subscriber and you can join us in looking at the market each and every single day. This is how the strategy looks like. As usual, we're going to go through the step-by-step process of installing it. When I look at the settings, we're going to look at the conditions, and we're also going to do some back testing and looking back on the strategy and seeing what it has been doing and how exactly it operates. So I hope you have somewhere to write some notes, because I'm going to be of course helping you guys with some tips as well in this trading. Okay, I'm going to be helping you guys with them with some tips as well. I'm actually trading Crash 500 right now, and we are about to be in deep profits. These are re-entries. Actually, my entry was down here, but I still see the buy momentum, so I am still going to hold on to this trade for a while, although it's about to end. But let's start off with boom 500. I'm going to remove all the indicators that you see, guys, and we're going to install it from the beginning, because I understand that there might be new traders right here on this platform that do not get or understand how to do how to install indicators and basically setting up a proper setup. Remember, you have to also have some background knowledge on price action, because we use confluence trading, which means it is a combination of using indicators and using price action. So with that said, let's install the strategy. The first indicator that I want to install is called the alligator. So I'm going to go to my indicator section and click where it says main window. Okay, and then we're going to be looking for an indicator called the alligator. Okay, it's down here, and it's going to have the following properties. We've got jaws period of 20, teeth period of 15, lips period of 15, jaws shift of 10, teeth shift of 10, lips shift of 10. Method is smoothed, apply to median price, and then of course you can allow it to appear on all time frames. What I want you guys to take note of is the styling on your jaws and on your teeth should have the same color as your background color. I have got a white background, that's why you see my jaws and my teeth are all white. What we want to have a different color is the lips, and you should have that black color that you see. Try and follow the same colors that I'm using so that you do not get confused as we do back testing, because I'm going to be referring to these colors and it might be confusing for you. So please try and follow the same styles that I'm using. You can later on change to your own, customize to your own colors when we are actually done with this. Okay, so if I click done, I should have a black line running across my charts, and you see it right there, that was our first indicator. Our second indicator, and definitely the final one, going back to my indicator section, I'll click where it says main window, and then I'll look for the commodity channel index, or the CCI. Okay, then if I click it to show me the properties, we can change them, but for now we're going to keep these properties. We need the period of 20, apply to typical price, so make sure you change it to typical price, and you're going to need these two levels, -100 and 100, and then you can allow it to appear on all time frames, although we're going to have a specific time frame that we'll be using. And I chose the color red for this CCI. Again, please try and follow the same styling that I'm using, because we're going to be referring to that throughout our back testing. Okay, so if I click done, you see I now have an indicator window 1 section, which has my CCI, my commodity channel index, which is going to help me on my entry points. Okay, so we've successfully installed our strategy. We're just left with understanding how it works, the conditions, and then we can then do some back testing together, cross-referencing with the conditions that we talked about. But before we do all that, please make sure you click the subscribe button and you turn on the notification bell that is right next door to it, so that you'll be notified whenever I post a video like this. Remember, we are under 100-day trading challenge, and we are looking at the markets each and every single day so that we can actually improve. We should be able to measure ourselves after 100 days and see how far we've gone. Okay, so make sure you are a subscriber. We're almost at 40,000 subscribers as well, which means a massive giveaway to you guys is coming. So make sure you subscribe and we reach that goal quite early. You can also like this video if you enjoy seeing this type of videos, so that you'll be recommended to you most of the time and you stay engaged. And comment down below anything you have learned, or if you're interested in joining the 100-day trading challenge. It's completely free to join. Just make sure you're a subscriber and you've liked this video and you've commented down below, and you can send me a screenshot on my WhatsApp number so that I can add you to that group. You'll be able to find my WhatsApp number from the Telegram channel, which is which has a link in the description box below. You can just click the link and it will take you straight to my Telegram channel, where you'll be able to see my trading results, my student trading results, my WhatsApp number, my mentorship program, my VIP signals group, and our account management program. All that, you'll be able to see it for free. Just click the link in the description box below and it will take you straight to that Telegram channel, and you can join for free. There are over 7,000 traders in there, so if you want to be part of them as well, feel free to join. Let's get back to today's business. How are we going to trade with this strategy? It's pretty simple. Number one, we're going to be using the 15-minute time frame. Yes, the 15-minute time frame. This is because we want to trade in line with the trend most of the time. So we're going to use this strategy as a trend setter, or as something, a tool that can allow us to identify the trend. So how do you actually do that? It's very simple. Like I said, if you are above level 100 right here on your CCI, this red line is above level 100 or around this region, you should go to your chart and check for market structure, a new formation of market structure. How do you then see a formation of market structure? You either see candlesticks breaking this black line, or seeing a candlestick pattern on or around this black line. But I'll just advise you guys to just stick to a break of this black line by these candlesticks to see a market structure. So if you see your red line is up here on positive 100 in this region, or anywhere around this positive 100 region, and you see candlesticks breaking and going below your black line, then you know that you can sell the market because you'll be in a downtrend. So if you notice, each and every time we're at that situation, the market was selling. This was the first time, this was the other time, and all those times then you would win. Okay, again, you can do the same if you want to enter into a buy trade, going in line with spikes and catching spikes. You still remain in your 15-minute time frame. The zoom level does not really matter, but I'm trying to use my third smallest zoom level. Okay, so give that in mind. If you don't know what that is, check out my previous videos and you understand and you familiarize yourself with that type of zoom level. Okay, so again, we are under or close to this 100 level. I can see a market structure being formed here. I'm seeing my candlestick breaking to be above my black line. All this while we were maintaining below this black line. So whenever I see my price bouncing above, I know that there is something happening to the market, and in this case we were going up. And as you can see, your buy entry would have paid off. You can enter anywhere around that region all the way up. One might wonder then, how do you take profit or stop loss? I'll explain about that a little bit later on. For now, let's just take a look at your entry points. Once you have established that, you can now enter into the market to see how you can exit. Okay, again, our red line was in positive 100, which means I'll look at my chart and see a break and look for a break of market structure. Already my market was already showing me something was wrong here. We were sort of like consolidating, we're not really going anywhere. So I can already tell that there must be something happening to the markets. Just look at how that pattern was anyway, just look at how this region was. There was no real movement, and that already is an alert. If you understand candlestick patterns, whenever you see consolidation, the next move is a big move. Okay, and as you can see, the market actually went all the way down. So my CCI actually helped me understand the possible direction that we might go. Okay, the next possible direction that we may go. So I will have a break off that black line, having my candlesticks go below it. I'll have that consolidation. I'll have my red line. Also use some price action that I'm actually teaching in my mentorship class today. If you want it and if you want to understand it, make sure you sign up for it. Just contact me from my WhatsApp number and I'll be able to explain to you even more. So this is possible whether you're in boom or you're on crash, whichever you like. You can sell, you can buy. Either way, can you see? Either way, you still be profitable. Can you see something like this? These are re-entries, right? This strategy can actually give you a re-entry. We had already established this sell already, right? So maybe you missed it. So actually, my candlesticks went up and crossed back down just to give you another entry. Can you see it, guys? Can you see? And you'd have that big impulse. You'd have that big impulse going down, that big move going down. So you can do re-entries, you can do proper swing trades, you catch your own swing and you ride on it just like that. If you guys are interested in more videos like this, please make sure you click the like button and share it with your friends. Until next time.